Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at Xamarin Forms shell back button behavior. So let's get started. We have our page here that will call photos page.xaml. So let's handle the shell, the back button behavior. We'll add the back button behavior. Let's set the command to go back command. And the next thing we want to do is to override the icon override, set it to back with an.png, but I already have the assets in my resources folder. Then the next thing we are going to do is in the code behind, we're going to handle the command. So let's handle the command. What we're going to do, going to bring in code snippet here that I've written. What this is going to do is anytime we press on the back button, it's going to bring out a message saying checking back button behavior. So the last thing I'm going to do is to set the binding context of this page, so that we can make use of our go back command. Okay, so let's run to see how it looks like. Here we have our application running. Let's bring out our flyout. So we're on our photos page. See, we have the back button here. If we click on it, we have checking back button behavior. So that's it. How to handle back button behavior, the shell back button behavior in Xamarin Forms 4.0. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to this channel so that you get notified every time we upload videos like this, and also encourage us to reach our 1000 subscribers goal for this month. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.